They call me the future, but the future wasn't always alive.
In 1959, a spark ignited. Oscar LAPP's vision birthed the Olflex cable, a revolution that electrified industries. It wasn't just a cable, it was a lifeline, pulsing with the promise of progress. The future awoke. LAPP cables, the unseen arteries of progress, fueled factories, sped trains, and built the world of tomorrow. Today, LAPP cables are the unseen pulse behind countless industries, putting together a symphony of progress. They are the essential, yet often invisible, workhorses that keep our industries humming, our cities lit, and our communication networks flowing. LAPP cables ignite the green revolution, bridging the gap to a renewable future.
I am alive, powered by LAPP.